going on the Highwalk. The Highwalk are those high-rise bridges that links the different blocks of the Barbican estate. It's a listed heritage estate, so the architecture here is preserved together with the inner courtyard water gardens, which is very nice. And that's the Guildhall School of Music and Drama down there. And the other side are the restaurants and the cafes. So we have another 2 tower blocks there, tower-rise, high-rise. City of London School for Girls. That's the other side of the London Wall. Remnants of the London Wall are still kept here in the private gardens. And this is the old church, very old historic church. And if you walk this way, you go down towards Liverpool Street and St. Paul's. So it looks like they're having some maintenance there at the girls' school.